What's the best way of saying receber visitas na empresa in English? A recurrent question I get in my classes, in my online business English classes, or in my online courses is, teacher, what's the best way to say receber visitas in English? And most students, they tend to say receive. So I'm going to receive some foreign visitors this week. Actually, receive is not necessarily the best option. So let me tell you here another verb, or actually two other verbs you can use to talk about that. So the best way of saying that would be, I'm going to host some visitors this week. This week, I'm going to host and accompany some foreign visitors in my company. So host is a very good option. It's more natural, it's more native-like, and also the verb accompany. I'm going to accompany some visitors in my company this week. So the next time you're going to say that in English in your workplace, make sure that you use the best option, the most natural, the most native-like option. If you like these tips, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure you join my LinkedIn community, where we have lots of information for free, where you can enjoy lots of materials in business English. Hope to see you soon in one of my next videos or in one of my next online courses. This is Teacher Renata with English Upgrade Training, taking your English and your career to the next level.